10K little learners. Months of the year. Kids, do you know how many months are there in 1 year? There are 12 months in a year. Now, let's know the name of these months. Let's start. January. 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 January is the first month of the year. February. 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 February is the second month of the year. March. March. March is the third month of the year. April. April. April is the fourth month of the year. May. May. May is the fifth month of the year. June. June. June is the sixth month of the year. July. July. July is the seventh month of the year. August. August. August is the eighth month of the year. September. September. September is the ninth month of the year. October. October. October is the 10th month of the year. November. November. November is the 11th month of the year. December. December. December is the last 12th month of the year. Do like, share, comments and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye kids.